I have a delicious decadent treat to share with you. And look how cute they look in these Christmas dishes. This is a classic vintage recipe, probably from the 70s or 80s from my childhood, that my cousin used to make for me when I was little. Start by mixing the graham crackers, the melted butter, and sugar in a small bowl and mix until combined. It's recommended to use a nonstick foil if you have it, so that the bars release easily. Now pat down the mixture with the back of the spoon until the whole pan is evenly coated. Now add a can of sweetened condensed milk over the top of the graham cracker mixture. Now I'm adding a half a bag of bittersweet chocolate chips and a half a bag of butterscotch chips, and adding some sweetened coconut. You need the dark chocolate to balance out the sweetness of the condensed milk, otherwise it'll be extremely sweet. And I'm cutting it in small diagonal cuts so that they'd fit nicely in a little mini cupcake holder. I'm cutting these really small for two reasons. I'm taking it to a really big potluck where there's going to be tons of food, and these are also very decadent, like a delicious piece of candy, and you're going to want to keep going back for more. This recipe can be found on the back of Eagle's sweetened condensed milk and also on the back of Keebler's graham cracker crumbs. This is called Magic Cookie Bars. This is my favorite cookie, and it's so easy to make. I hope it becomes your favorite too. From our house to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Thanks for watching, and take care till next time. Happy cooking.